welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you're new here. I'm Deanna. Today we are doing days 24 and 25 of my beauty advent calendars. I didn't get to do yesterday's because we were traveling all day, and I took a nap after I got back and never got around to filming my 24s or even opening them at all. But I do have all my boxes and stuff with me, not my big full boxes, but I do have like the little individual boxes. I did pack this one with me, and I have my one chocolate. So let's get started. Okay, so let's go ahead and open up the 24th chocolate today, which is this big one right here. And let's see what shape we have today. Oh, it's a full size. It's huge. I think it's a Santa. Oh, it is a Santa Claus. How cute. Little Santa Claus. Okay, so next we're going to go into the 12 Days of Glow. And there's only one mask left, which is this one right here. This one, it is a charcoal and black sugar mud mask. It's detoxifying. It says activated charcoal helps lift away oils and toxins without over drying the skin. Black sugar helps to hydrate skin and smooth away roughness. Perfect for normal to combination skin. So let's move on to the Body Shop. This is the 24th. We've got somebody sleeping with some cookies. And then on the side of it, it says volunteer to help your local soup kitchen prepare for Christmas Day. That is so cute. Honestly, they have such creative ideas with like on different ways to give back, which I think is super cool. Oh, what is this? This is British Rose. Well, it's the Body Shop. British Rose Body Yogurt. This is the little packaging. Sorry for the lighting today, guys. 48 hours of moisturizing, instantly absorbing, non-sticky gel cream can be applied to damp skin after your shower, all skin types. So I'm assuming this is like a body cream, but I can already smell this. This smells so good. It really does smell like roses. It's just very heavenly and light and just, honestly, it's very nice smelling. Oh, cool. I kind of need this. I didn't bring any body lotions with me. So here's the Glossybox number 24. And let's see what we've got in this one today. So, tissue. Oh, cool. Nail polish. It says, be your incredible self, Nails Inc. This is cute. This is like a dark color. It's called Victoria. It looks like a dark red. Kind of like a wine color. I was like, oh my gosh, that's really hard to open. And I don't think oh. I broke it. Like it came out of there wasn't enough glue on this for me to turn it. So it must be really sealed. Yeah, it is. Yeah, this is definitely like a dark red wine color. Oh, super cool. I don't know if you can kind of see the red in that at all. Yeah, it's a nice like berry wine color. Very cute. Smells like nail polish. I don't personally wear nail polish, so I might give this away. I might hot glue it back myself and let it sit for a while before I give it to somebody, just because I don't wear maybe you are supposed to take it off. I'm not sure, because it has like these little ridges that it fits in. I don't know. I just don't know. But I'll probably just give this to someone else so that way they can use it, because I know I won't be using it because I go get my nails done and I use gel. That's just what I do. I'm so excited. We're going to do day 25 right now. So I'm going to save, so these are my day 25s. We're going to save the big one for last because, you know, it's the big one. So this is day 25 from the Body Shop. She's carrying a present. She's like, we got to take it. It says, if you have a neighbor spending today alone, wish them a happy Christmas. That's so true. Like some people do spend the holidays alone, and it's sad, but you know, sometimes that's just life and that's just how things are, and we just need to be kind and sweet to everyone that's around and not be ugly. So let's see what's in here. Okay. What is this? It says the Body Shop Drops of Youth. I like that. It says it's a youth concentrate. It's an environmental protection. It says enriched with the power of plants and natural antioxidants. It helps protect your skin daily against indoor and outdoor pollution. It says our fast-absorbing, non-sticky concentrate is enriched with 99% ingredients of a natural origin, including stem cells from 3 resilient plants, Edelweiss from the rugged Italian Alps, known for its protective properties, and creased marine and sea holly from the Brittany coast, renowned for their renewing properties. Really interesting. This is the packaging. I really like this like green bottle. I don't know if like the serum's green or if it's just the bottle. Just the bottle. It smells clean. It smells clean. Okay, so we are on the Glossybox day 25. 5. Oh my gosh, these have been so amazing, and I'm just so excited. You know what's so funny though? I've opened all of these up and I've yet to get one single eyeshadow. One single eyeshadow. So I'm hoping that this big boy right here is an eyeshadow palette. I can only hope. Please be. Let's see what we got. It's an eyeshadow palette, y'all. Oh, it's Iconic London. This is their Day to Slay eyeshadow palette. It says create endless beautiful looks with these 12 highly pigmented pink, peach, bronze, and gold shades. These velvety soft powders include a mixture of mattes, shimmers, and glitters for flawless day-to-night looks. Oh, this is really nice. Well, let me take this little plastic covering on. I'd say this is a very nice neutral palette. I'd say this would be great for anybody. Look at this. These are beautiful. I really like these colors, and a lot of shimmers and a good I'd say there's definitely more shimmers than mattes for sure, but just fantastic. Oh, I'm so excited. I was really hoping I was going to get an eyeshadow palette, so I'm glad I did, and I got a full one. And Iconic London is expensive and a really, really nice brand, so I'm so happy I got this. Oh, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, guys. I hope to see you guys in the next one. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.